Hi everyone, this time I'm going to show a simple DIY with coconut shell. Yesterday I saw birds and squirrel near the tree. So I thought of making a hanging coconut shell bird feeder. Everyone can easily make this DIY, just you need a coconut shell and jute rope. Okay, let's see how to make this DIY. I have taken a coconut shell. In that I am going to remove the coir, that is coconut fiber. The coconut shell is ready. Now I am going to hang the coconut shell with jute rope. For that I have put 2 holes in the coconut shell. To look colorful, I have painted the coconut shell. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching the video. Stay home, stay safe.